I live for what if. What if I could transform my warehouse into my store? What if I could do it all myself? What if I just used all my old leftover paint and put them all in one paint sprayer all at once, you guys? What if? What if I just kept going? What if I just kept finding all the paints all over the studio and just kept mixing them up? And I did all the walls in the whole shop, just flowing one into the other. Would it be magical? Would it be messy? Would it be amazing? And what if I noticed that the swirls of paint on the floor were just gorgeous? And I decided to blow them around, and I grabbed my shop vac and I just started spreading them. And then that didn't spread hard enough, so I just grabbed a leaf blower and then I spread them some more and I just moved them all over the floor. What if? What if I keep going? I mean, what if I paint every square foot of this warehouse and turn it into a magical experience?
It's all right with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. I can pick you up.
And what if I transitioned to different colors at every corner of the warehouse?
Billboard, baby, do a leap and make them dance when they come on. Everybody looking for a dance floor to run on.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
And then I thought, what if I just brought it home? What if I just took all these new paints and used the same effect I used on the walls and then the floors and then brought it back to where I started, back onto the furniture? It's full circle. I know, it was kind of obvious, wasn't it? But it wasn't to me until I got there. But what happens when I've run out of walls and floors and furniture? There it was, sitting right next to me, a canvas. I just started doing the same thing. At this point, there was nothing left for me to do but swim on the floor.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep?
So that's how it happened. That's how it came to be. Now we're ready.
Mother, I'm coming home. I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never loved one like you. Boats and boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here everywhere with you. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free like it's only you and me.
Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can do it for you.